Today we're making a simple pizza. We have a pre-made crust over here and we have just some mozzarella. We're just cutting into one of the chunks here. Simple stuff that you can get at a grocery store. The pepperoni that I'm going to put on half is uncured pepperoni that I ordered from Amazon, Vermont brand. Tastes pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and chop that. Cut these. I cut these into thicker slices, but feel free to cut them whatever your preference is. And then depending on your crust, you heat the oven. This one is 450 degrees and you put it on the timing. I usually put it on less time and just kind of check how it's doing and look how the timing is with the individual pizza. Here is a sauce. Again, we're using one that you can get at a grocery store. So, and everybody has a different sauce preference. So however you want to put this on, if you want to lay it on thick or thin, depending on the needs of you or your family, that's up to you. I'm just using a butter knife. It's not super smooth, just getting some on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my cheese on. And this one I'm making half pepperoni just for the preference of family. So I'm using these larger pepperoni chunks. Again, you could thin them out and dice them thinner if you want, or cut them into thinner slices, and that's it's ready to go in the oven.